Hello everyone, welcome back to MCQs of MAYANK LAWHOLIC. So in this video, we will be starting from the jurisprudence. So let's get started without wasting any time from question number 1. The question number 1 is, the law means option A, the entire body of rules in a state, a particular law, the rules of morality, the rules of natural justice. Here in the given option, correct answer is option A. The law means the entire body of rules in a state. Question number 2. The national character of law was introduced in jurisprudence by Karl Marx, Savigny, Montesquieu, Hans Kelsen. Here, correct answer is option B, that is Savigny. National character of law was introduced in jurisprudence by Savigny. Question number 3. In the Dark Age, natural law was given a new interpretation by option A, St. Augustine, option B, Thomas Aquinas, C. Paul, D. Ulpian. Here, correct answer is option A, that is St. Augustine. In the Dark Age, natural law was given a new interpretation by St. Augustine. Question number 4. Stamler had divided law into two parts. Option A, positive law and positive morality. B, positive law and negative law. C, idea of law and concept of law. D, divine law and human law. Here, correct answer is option C, that is idea of law and concept of law. Question number 5. The theory of categorical imperative was propounded by option A, Stone, option B, Allen, option C, Austin, and option D, Kant. Here, correct answer is option D, that is Kant. Question number 6. The concept of Austin's sovereignty is influenced by the ideologies of which of the following person? Option A, Hobbes, option B, Locke, option C, Rousseau, and option D, Montesquieu. Here, correct answer is option A, that is Hobbes. Question number 7. Who categorized the subject of jurisprudence as expositorial jurisprudence and censorial jurisprudence? Here, options are Holland, Bentham, Kelsen, Peyton. Here, correct answer is option B, that is Bentham. Bentham categorized jurisprudence, the subject of jurisprudence, as expositorial jurisprudence and censorial jurisprudence. Question number 8. Whose method is called scientific positivism? Option A, Auguste Comte, option B, Duguid, option C, Roscoe Pound, and option D, Austin. Here, correct answer is option A, that is Auguste Comte. Question number 9. Who of the following author is said as the father of English jurisprudence, namely? Option A, Austin, option B, Bentham, option C, Salmond, option D, Roscoe Pound. Here, correct answer is option A, that is Austin. Austin is categorized as the author or father of the English jurisprudence. Question number 10. Who among the following is considered an exponent of utilitarianism? Option A, Hobbes, option B, Bentham, option C, David Hume, and option D, Grotius. Here, correct answer is option B, that is Bentham. Bentham is considered as an exponent of utilitarianism. Question number 11. According to Austin, the science of jurisprudence is concerned with option A, morality, option B, positive law, option C, divine law, option D, natural law. Here, correct answer is option B, that is positive law. According to Austin, the science of jurisprudence is considered with positive law. Question number 12. Who laid down the foundation of positivism in the modern sense of the term? Option A, C.K. Allen, option B, Bentham, option C, Austin, and option D, Salmond. Here, correct answer is option B, that is Bentham. Question number 13. According to Austin, which one of the following is not an essential element of law? Option A, command, option B, ideal, option C, duty, and option D, sanction. Here, correct answer is option B, that is ideal. Ideal is not an essential element of law, whereas command, duty, and sanctions are the essential element of law. This question is important question and has been asked in the various examination. So you kindly memorize this question. Question number 14. Hart's analysis of law distinguishes between option A, cause and effect, option B, theory and fact, option C, being obliged and having an obligation, option D, corporeal and incorporeal rights. Here in question number 14, correct answer is option C, being obliged and having an obligation. Hart's analysis of law distinguishes between being obliged and having an obligation. Question number 15. Sovereignty according to Austin is the characteristics of being only positive, only negative, internal, positive and negative both. Here, correct answer is option D, positive and negative both. Question number 16. The expression to signify any assumption which conceals or affects to conceal the fact that a rule of law has undergone alteration, its letter being unchanged, its operation being modified, is option A, legal fiction, option B, equity, option C, custom, and option D, legislation. Here in question number 16, correct answer is option A, that is legal fiction. Question number 17. In law, the hard-fuller controversy relates to option A, definition of law, option B, classification of law, option C, law and morality, and option D, sanction. Here correct answer is option C, that is law and morality. Hard-fuller controversy relates to law and morality. Question number 18. Who made a distinction between the use of the term jurisprudence in the generic and specific sense? Option A, Holland, option B, Austin, option C, Salmon, and option D, Allen. Here, in question number 18, correct answer is option C, that is Salmon. Salmon made a distinction between the use of the term jurisprudence in the generic and specific sense. Question number 19. Whose theory is based on the concept that both state and law are the evolutionary product of human reason? Here, options are option A, Hegel, option B, Savigny, option C, Mine, option D, Salmon. Here, correct answer is option A, that is Hegel. Hegel theory is based on the concept that both state and law are the evolutionary product of human reason. Question number 20. The original author of the book, The Limits of Jurisprudence, is defined as option A, Austin, option B, Stuart Mill, option C, David Hume, and option D, Jeremy Bentham. Here, correct answer is option D, that is Jeremy Bentham. Jeremy Bentham is the author of the book, The Limits of Jurisprudence. Question number 21. Law was defined in the terms of balancing various interests in the society, and as such, law was described as social engineering by option A, Austin, option B, Holland, option C, Hilrich, option D, Pound. Here, correct answer is option D, that is Pound. Pound described law as the social engineering. Question number 22. That a legal system arises from the combination of primary and secondary rules was initiated by Austin, Hart, Bentham, Kelson. Correct answer here is option B, that is Hart. Question number 23. Point out the best response. According to Austin, law has the following attributes: command, sovereign and enforceability, command, sovereign and sanction, command, sovereign and legal remedy, command, sovereign and obedience by subject. Here correct answer is option B, that is command, sovereign and sanction. Question number 24. Which one of the following jurists belong to ancient theories of natural law? Option A, Aquinas, option B, Grotius, option C, Kohler, option D, Socrates. Here correct answer is option D, that is Socrates. Socrates is a jurist belong to the ancient theories of natural law. Question number 25. It is generally agreed that the definition of law has consumed so much time and energy because option A, the notion of the law is different in different countries. Option B, law is very difficult subject. Option C, it is surrounded with philosophical perplexities. Option D, there is linguistic variation on the issue. Here correct answer is option A, that the notion of law is different in different countries. So here we will end the first video of this jurisprudence MCQ. We will catch you soon in the another video of the jurisprudence soon.